Hello everyone. So in this video lecture I'm going to explain you else if ladder, or I can say else if statement. Okay. As I have said earlier in my this introductory session of control structure, okay, I have explained there are total three there are various structure of if statement. First is simple if statement, after that if else, after that nested if else, okay, that is if else ladder, and this one is reverse of that is else if ladder. So first we will understand one example, okay, how to implement else if, and then we go to the program part. Okay, so this is my program else if ladder demo. Okay, now in this code portion I have ignored including preprocessor directory, that is stdio.h and conio.h. okay, so just because to what I want to say, okay, in this video I have ignored including directory, okay, because this is my ppt portion. Okay, so I will consider only main part of my program. So inside this main function there are total 6 variables, m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. Let's say there is one student and let's say there is one student and the student has 5 subjects, okay, and this subject have mark. Okay, so we are going to calculate percentage of that particular student. So how can we do that? Simple calculation, that is summation of all the mark of all the subject divided by number of subject multiplied by 100. So we got our percentage. Now what I want to do is I want to classify that particular student, whether he or she is distinct, he got a distinction class, first class, second class, like that. Okay, so if percentage is greater than or equal to 60, then first division. Okay, else if so what will happen? If percentage is greater than 60, then only this printf first division will be executed. But if condition is not true, that means control structure goes to this else statement, because normally flow of control is like that. If condition is true, then whatever the code written in if statement will be printed. But over here, if statement condition is wrong, then only control go to if else statement. Now in else statement we again included if statement. Okay, percentage of this particular student is not greater than 16. Okay, now let's check for if percentage of this student is greater than 15. Okay, so print second division. Else if, that means this condition is also false. Okay, so we will again go for else statement. Inside this else there is another if statement. Okay, so student has not acquired greater than 60, greater than 15. Now let's check for greater than 40. Okay, if condition is true, then third division. After that else, printf fail. Okay, so it is very easy. You just need to take care of control statement flow order of the statement in your C program. Okay, now over here you can see there is if else. That means pairing is balanced over here. Okay, you have to remember single else or single if statement. Okay, so now let's jump to coding part. So let's start. In this video, to explain you else if ladder, I will take program in which user have to enter one number. Okay, probably it's lucky number, and we will tell them that their number is in between this range. Okay, so check for range of number. Okay, so first thing is to include my directives include stdio.h. After that include conio.h. okay, once it's done, after that there has to come main function. Okay, integer main. Why it is main function? Because every C program always start from main function. Okay, that is another reason that we could not define our custom function with name main function. Okay, so integer main. Now inside this main I am going to declare one variable, that is number. Okay, after that I will print one message for user, that is hello user, how are you? Okay, enter your okay, let's say enter your lucky number. We will tell you range of your number. That's it. Save, semicolon actually. After that, if I have put message to user that he have to enter number, so but obviously I have to save it in one variable. Okay, and what is name of my variable? That is number. But is it enough? No, I must have to prefix address of. Okay, I have to use like this. This is the syntax how to store input number. Okay, once this done, okay, we will apply else if ladder. How? First is if statement. Okay, so inside this first we will check whether this number is in between 70 to 100 range. Okay, 70 to 100. So let's start. If number is greater than or equals to 70, not equals to, and number is less than or equal to 100. Simple. Okay, so if this condition is true, then we will print one message, your lucky number is in range 70 to 100. That's it. Okay, but if number is not in between this range, then what will happen? We have to put control structure to manage this. Okay, so else if, now over here you can see this is not nested if else. If it is nested if else, then what will happen? I have to first include these curly braces. That means I have to create one block, and inside this there is if or else, like that. Okay, but structure is like that. Over here you have to put if statement. Okay, now inside this if statement I am going to just copy pasting this statement, but with necessary changes. That is, now over here this number is in between, 40 to 70. Okay, 40 to 70. So again, if condition is true, then we will print this message. Just for time saving, I am copying this necessary line. Okay, that's it. 40 to 70. After that, else if. Okay, again number is in range 10 to 40. Okay, if this condition is true, we will again print this message. 10 to 40. Now if this number is not in range of 70 to 100, not in range of 40 to 70, not in range of 10 to 40, then what will happen? Then it means simple number is in between range of 0 to 10. Okay, very easy. So just save this program. Now I want to add something, that is return 0. Okay, why we have included this line? Okay, over here you can see this statement is in the block of main function. Okay, over here. So why I have included return 0? Because this main function I have declared returning integer value. Okay, so that's why I have put return 0. I can also use like this, void. Okay, void main, I can do like that also. Okay, but in that case return 0 is not required. So let it be. Okay, compile this program, no errors, then run. Okay, hello user, enter your lucky number. We will tell you range of your number, that is this message. Okay, now this control has stopped waiting for user input. Okay, so let me add, let's say 50. Okay, so we got our message, your lucky number is in range 40 to 70. Okay, so if I again run this program, then let's say 100. Okay, it's just 10. So your lucky number is in range 0 to 10. Again I am going to execute this statement. Let's say 0. Okay, your lucky number is in the range 0 to 10. Let's say I have added 100. Your lucky number is in range 70 to 100. So this is very simple program of else if statement. And I want to tell you that this is program. Okay, you cannot learn it by listening, you have to practice it. Okay, so please follow us, please practice assignments and problem, just do practicing. Okay, bye bye.